Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design, and welcome to this brand new video. And in this video, check this out. We're going to solve the problem on how to log into Power Lead System. Well, the reason why, guys, is because I get a lot of questions like, where is my Power Lead System login? Where is my website? I can't log into Power Lead System. And they get very frustrated, and I'm telling them, well, the reason why it's like that is because you're going to powerleadsystem.com. See, in the beginning, I did that as well. I'm like, well, where's my login? So I think that it's in powerleadsystem.com, which is not. It's actually mycompanyadmin.com that you need to go to. So as you can see right here, it goes, it says mycompanyadmin.com, right? And then once you click enter on your keyboard, you're going to see that the login will appear, and then you're going to put your login information. Now, here's the thing. Some people forget their login information because the way the login is provided. Make sure you check your inbox, your email, because when you first sign up to Power Lead System, or you're about to sign up to Power Lead System, that login information is going to be inside your inbox, okay? So that way you don't miss a beat. You know your login information. You'll be able to log in and get in the office. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in real quick. So you can see it works. Then I go to the top there. Let's see, getting started, and that's it. That's how easy it is to log in to the Power Lead System. So if you're confused, like where's my login, where's Power Lead System, don't worry about it. It's still there. You just got to make sure you go to mycompanyadmin.com. So guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video. A quick short video for you guys to help you out on how to find your login. So guys, if this is the first time you've been to our channel, make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell just to be sure that you get all the latest trainings and updates that we do. We are affiliate marketers. We do a lot of training on our YouTube channel. And also, I left a link below this video with our #1 recommended program to make money on the internet. So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. Have a great day, and I'll see you in a new video very soon. Bye now.